Hello everyone, this is Neeraj here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss 6 summer maintenance tips which we're gonna share it with you. If you are first time here, make sure you like the video, subscribe the channel, and make sure and share it with the friends, those who can get benefited with this. Without any further ado, let's dive right in and enjoy these tips and save your home. Replace your furnace filter this summer. With the summers right around the corner, the heat's going up. Guess what? Your furnace gonna work more or continuously as compared to the other parts of the year. So make sure you change the furnace filter and also get your furnace serviced as well. So the better, the cleaner air gets into the home and also give you lesser allergy symptoms also. Stop those unwanted guests, I mean pests. With the longer days, long days, that means more time to feed the pests as well. So to make sure that just walk around and make sure that your house is protected. There are certain things you can do, that you can check the screens, you can check the any sort of holes in your door or maybe in the windows. Is there any gaps you'll be able to find it? Take it a quick around even in your backyard. Have a quick look around that there is no holes or entry level for those for the pest also. Maybe also double check if there is any vents and all that, if they're broken with the winter or with the air and all, winter storm or with the make sure they are actually repaired so that less pests get into the home and you'll have a much healthier home. Inspect your house for mold. With the weather, it's getting warmer. It's an invitation for the mold to come in. If you ever felt or feel any unknown musty smell in the home, chances are there could be a potential that the mold is there. I'll recommend to check the attic. Check the darker areas where there could be moist, darker areas, just to make sure there is no mold in the house. Thoroughly check your driveway. With the weather changes, obviously the driveway is the one who actually get affected the most. With the certain changes in the temperature, you may observe there are certain crevices, certain holes, there are certain gaps in the driveway. If you feel something like a smaller crack, you don't want it to get a little bit bigger. So there are repair kits that are available, like a cement or something like that. You can go to the local hardware store, you can buy those kits and fill it up. And if you find the gaps are bigger, the holes are bigger, then you may need to consult with a professional. Clean out your downspouts and gutters. Well, with the passage of time, with the leaves, and dust, and mold, there are certain things can just get collected on the gutters and the downspouts. So a gentle wash is actually recommended, so that it not only it just makes your house more safer, but aesthetically, if you see any mold or grass or a moss or anything is been growing, it aesthetically doesn't look nice either. So make sure you get your gutters and your downspouts cleaned up. Last but not the least, check your deck. With the harsh winters we just gone through, you may observe there are some rusty nails are actually popping out, which can damage your deck. So make sure have a thorough look to the deck, like on the deck, and make sure there's no nails are popping out. And if there's splinters are coming out, it could cause a not like a health hazard, could be an issue. So make sure you clean it up, and also look, do you need to reseal your deck? There's an easy test to do. Just spray over a water on the deck, and if the water doesn't go anywhere, it sticks, then you're good to go. And if it just gets soaked into the wood, but guess what, you need to reseal your deck as well. So hopefully these tips help you out to protect you in this winter, this summers, for all the damages what we've done into the winters and on the fall season. But at the same time, it just improves the quality inside and outside of your home, and you have a fantastic summer.